You gotta go to your father.
Come here.
So.
Come here. Come on. Come on, Ale, come here. Let go. No. Oh, yeah. You come.
Oh. I guess oops.
Where are you going?
Can he get up by himself, or does he need something to hold on
No,
to?
he gets up. Come here. Get up. Stand up. Yeah.
Oh,
almost.
You're gonna be lazy, aren't you?
There's everybody watching me.
Okay, here's the camera. You gonna come to the camera?
Did you get that?
Uh-huh. I'm as far back as I could go. Hi!
What you doing?
Show
Come
her,
here, baby bear.
show her what he did when I got home from work yesterday.
What do you do?
Before I got in the shower.
Oh.
Do I videotape it?
No, I'll show you the videotape.
Oh, oh.
It's our videotape. On your little thingy. What?
Does he have 6 teeth now?
Almost. I'm still working on that 6th one. It's taken a while to come out.
He's just...
Be careful. Be careful.
So he could stand up and push that by himself.
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
And that's for 12 months and older.
Yeah.
He's just really lazy.
Oh, there he's going to crawl into it.
Because he'll stand up.
Oh.
He knows he has to stand up, and then he lifts that up. Because he knows
Oh.
he stands up first, and then he lifts that up, and then he'll just push it along. He's just...
Oh, yeah, there we go.
He just doesn't...
You're being lazy.
Yeah. You're gonna fall over. I went the other way. I thought you were gonna go the other way. And
Oh, he's going to go through the
open.
door.
No, that's a dirty...
Doesn't take him long to see that is an opening.
No.
No, I'll put it way over here. I'll still run for it now that he goes.
He could do what he wants to.
What are you doing? Come here! Yeah, oh. He's still clumsy, but he's walking.
Hey, I'm old and I'm clumsy.
See how you clumsy little butt munch. He actually ran away from me yesterday.
Little baby.
What are you doing?
It's funny, he really wants to go through that opening now.
This one. Hey. Al.
He's gonna go for the dog food.
He's out the door.
He's laughing. He says, I got this game going with Dad.
Look, there's another opening over there. Go that way. I don't like to go this way.
Go put the thing.
Well, you pissed him off.
Yep.
That's what dads do.
No, he gets mad at Mommy too, and she takes away the remote control.
There. I think that's looking good.
Okay. Where is he? There he is. Oh, Brad, I can't even do it. The light's so bright.
Yeah. The glare off the window.
I'm going to run out of battery pretty soon.
And they get the rechargeable batteries for this one.
Maybe just a break.
Out of all the toys he has, he's picking the diaper pack.
Uh-huh.
Don't play with him.
Boxes usually go over pretty good.
He likes the plastic toys more than he likes the stuffed toys.
Mm.